Hello and welcome to the Zoom training for the Chicago School. My name is Kennard Guillermo. I'll be going over how to download and install the desktop client, then briefly give some instruction on how to navigate around the app, and finally provide some resources to get you further knowledgeable and cozy with Zoom. So let's begin. From any browser, navigate to the link tcsedSystem.zoom.us and click on Sign In. Next, type in your school email as the username and a password and click Sign In. This is the home page. You will go to Resources in the top menu and hit the drop down and find Download Zoom Client. This will begin the Zoom download. When the Zoom download is complete, you'll see a Zoom icon on your desktop. Just click on the icon and you'll sign in using the Zoom client or join the meeting if you've already gotten a meeting ID. Signing in with SSO simply means using your username, their school email, and password. And make sure that the domain name shows tcsedSystem.zoom.us. This is the main app. From the browser, you will see a window launch, but then the Zoom app will launch in its own window. And to start a meeting, you just click on New Meeting, and to join a meeting, click on the Join button. This is the Zoom app itself. You'll see the many features that you can use here, and you'll see the controls located here at the bottom. And we'll go over those right now. Controls for Mac users, you'll see those that are similar to the desktop app. If you need information about finding controls, you can visit Zoom support or perform a search for Mac Touch Bar. If you want to see, these are the controls for the PC. In the lower left-hand corner, you can find your audio controls, how to mute people. The camera or stop video starts and stops your video. Share screen will share your screen. And at the end, when you're done, you can end the meeting with the end button. If you want to see participants during the presentation and or open a chat, you can click on these highlights and they'll open sidebars for participants or chat. To share a screen, you click on Share Screen in the control panel at the bottom, and then you can choose on which screen to share. When done sharing, click on Share in the lower right-hand corner. The app controls switch to the top of the screen when you are sharing a screen. And you can stop sharing by clicking on this button right there. Now, where to get help? You can click on Zoom in the virtual assistant at the bottom right hand of your settings window. And to get further tutorials on how to navigate in Zoom, you can visit these addresses. The support site for Zoom, as well as the YouTube channel provided by Sean Newford, the Director of Educational Technology, who puts together tutorials covering other topics as well. And that concludes the Zoom basic training, if you will. The slide deck can be provided to you so you can have the links. If you get into technical difficulties while installing Zoom, you may contact the help desk at the 800 number or send questions to the email below. Thank you for participating.